Good morning from Uzbekistan, beautiful and rich country, full of delicious food and with historical moments I need to explore and I need to show you. If you plan to travel to Uzbekistan, this is the city for you. I am here in Khiva.
Khiva isn't just about history. Every bite here is journey into Uzbekistan culinary tradition.
I can't wait to show you guys. Make sure you watch to the end. Let's start this video right now. I love the way they was baking this tandoor beautifully. And look at this. Look at this. I got beef samsa and I got potato samsa. Like this is, smell fresh bread. So let's open this. But before that, let's smell again. I don't want to forget this delicious smell of bread. Let's open. Ooh. Oh. Let's try this. Oh. This is the way you need to enjoy this. This is with the potato. It's come with the sesame on top. And this is the samsa potato. And I got this for my wife, but I need to take from her. And I need to try first. Oh, look at this. Looks beautiful. Oh. Soft, mushy, delicious. I love the spices. This is what you're going to experience in Ichan Kala. And this is traditional samsa you're going to explore here. This is only breakfast. This is their bread. It comes with some herbs, tomato, and looks beautiful. Look at this. Ooh. Good for lunch. Thank you. Trust me, this is not just simple bread. This is very unique, delicious, crispy. I really love it. I think there's a potato in the middle. After this, it's time for lunch. Let's go for lunch.
Before we continue to eat another meal, our tour guide introduced us to the amazing culture and culinary history of Uzbekistan. After knowing almost everything, we went to eat the famous pilaf. I'm super excited to try this.
So this is pilaf, and this is traditional Uzbek dish. Can't wait to try. I heard a lot about this place. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Ready? No, that's meat.
Okay.
Let's try. I love the rice. It's very shiny and I love it. Oily, but in good way. Very, very delicious. A piece of meat on top of this rice and some carrot. Yeah, there's carrots and there is some tomato as well. All in one bite. Really, really good. What do you think? You like meat, beef more or the rice?
I like the rice more.
She loves rice. When you come here, they're gonna give you a basket of bread, complimentary salad. It's insane. Some tea. Oh,
Good, yeah.
goes very well with this rice.
Let's go and find another restaurant.
Let's go. Yeah, we're going to try this delicious noodles with the meat. I'm gonna grab as much as I can. Full of flavor in this bowl. It's very simple and delicious. I really love it. Can't wait to have all in one bite. This is you're supposed to eat. I enjoy preparation of this dish and I enjoy the taste of this dish. I'm gonna add some yogurt. I love this yogurt, so good, creamy and delicious. If you add to this dish, gives perfect taste. That really, I think this dish needs some yogurt on the side. You need to try it. This is incredible. The meat is so tasty, flavorful, and tender. Absolutely delicious. This is highly recommended. And I'm gonna put the location in the description. Go check the details and enjoy this amazing Khiva food tour. Let's go to another place. Still, we are here in Ichan Kala, and we are here in one of the oldest restaurants in this old town. And we're going to try some manti here in this beautiful view. And you can see the beautiful city. The old town is exactly in my right hand, and then you can see the beautiful city in the other hand. It's really beautiful view. I really love it. I can't wait to try this manti. Let's try it. This is beef manti, and let's try this. Taste is amazing. Very simple. I really love it. I'm going to try another one. I think I came in a very good time of the year and to enjoy this delicious food. God, it's really good. I'm just telling my wife, this is really good. We're going to try another manti, which is with pumpkin. Beautiful color. Look at this. And let's try this. And delicious. You can add a little bit sour cream. You're good to go. That's really delicious. Good to start my dinner with the manti. Let's go with another dish. Another dish is kapshima, is dumpling beef, and it comes like this. This is dumpling, basically it's stuffed with the beef, and can't wait to try this. Another version of deep fried, but still I want to try the healthy one, and I want to see how it goes. Oh, let's start. Let's open this. Come closer. Oh, just beef, tomato, and with some spices, chili or tomato sauce, and some pickle and carrot pickle. Incredible. Oh, juicy. And I love the juices coming up from this dumpling. I truly love it. I'm going to enjoy this beautiful dinner with my wife, and I will see you tomorrow with amazing lunch.
After eating almost everything in Khiva, our stomach was full with proteins, and I believe this is enough for today. But this won't stop me from eating tomorrow, because we will be catching some fresh fish from popular river in Khiva.
Where's my fish? Assalamu alaikum. How are you? You want me to take the fish?
He looked at me for a second.
Yeah. Catching fish from river is going to be very difficult. That's the reason they take me to the smaller river, take the fish. I did good job. I did good job. Woo. Where are you going? I'm so sorry. Failed. It's your turn.
That fish wasn't swimming away. He was running away from me.
Okay. So I'm so excited to try this, and it's freshly catch from river, and you can see how they cook this to crispy level. Let's grab this beautiful fish. Look at this, crispy. Soft, crispy, crunchy. Let's try with this sauce. Coriander and dill. You can smell that dill so strongly. Delicious. Oh, this is absolutely delicious. Oh God, I think bone went to my throat. Careful, guys. There's a bone, but I don't care because I'm going to enjoy this crispy fish. Oh boy, never waste any. Never waste any fish. Surprisingly delicious. They was seasoned only with the salt. That's it, nothing else. And it's surprisingly delicious. This place not only has a restaurant, yurt, which is luxury tent. You can stay here as much you want. I'm going to share more details in the description, how to book. This is same fish, Sazan, but this time it's grilled to perfection. Look at this. It's for me at first when they brought, I thought this is steak. I'm gonna take this crispy side of fish. Oh. Taste of charcoal, cooled, grilled amazingly, and still the meat is so soft. I really love it. I want to come back to stay here. It's an amazing place, middle of nature, and I will see you in another restaurant.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you like the video.